Once upon a time, man, I ate pepperoni pizza, apples, and I drank juice. What am I gonna do? I know, I would steal Spike's lunch. Wahahahahahahaha. What the? Hey, that's my lunch. That's it, I'm telling Principal Anchor on you. No, 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 no. Please don't tell Principal Anger. Look, Principal Anger. Ronald steals my lunch. Really? Ronald, how dare you steal Spike's lunch? That's it, you're coming with me. I'm going to eat lunch because Ronald doesn't steal it anymore. At Nature Cat's house. Ronald, why did you steal Spike's lunch? That's it. You need a timeout for 3 months. Go to your room now. No, 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 no,